You've seen my animations, you've seen my streams, and if you ever asked what I use to composite everything, I probably said After Effects. But here's the truth. I haven't been using After Effects for most of my animation compositing. I've been using something else. Something that is definitely not industry standard. For the first time, I'm revealing that I use Shoost for animation compositing, an app largely known for VTuber streaming, but it is a hidden powerhouse in compositing. And I want to properly compare it to After Effects. No fluff, no bias. Just my real world experience using both apps in an indie studio environment. First, the user interface. After Effects feels like an alien spaceship cockpit. Endless buttons, steep learning curve, and you need to memorize keyboard shortcuts just to survive. Shoost is clean and simple. Fewer options, but that's the point. For animation compositing, I don't need 3D holograms. I need line art to pop and backgrounds to glow. Shoost gets you there without having to watch hours of YouTube tutorials just to figure out where the render button is. And as a studio director, I can train new artists on Shoost in a day. After Effects takes weeks, maybe months. Importing files? After Effects wins hands down. It takes image sequences, transparent videos, everything you throw at it. Shoost is pickier. It mainly takes videos and static images with chroma key for transparency. It's an extra step, but honestly, it does the job. After Effects has a massive library and plugins like OLM Smoother for anti-aliasing, but some special effects plugins cost a lot. And copying effects between After Effects files, total nightmare. You either risk file corruption or build one giant master file that inevitably crashes. Shoost has fewer effects and no third-party plugins, but you can save custom presets and copy them across files instantly. Anti-aliasing? After Effects has a full toolbox. Flexible, powerful, tons of options. Shoost is quirky. It starts at 0 anti-aliasing, then you sharpen it at 100%. It works, but it's a newer feature that can interfere with other effects and takes some tweaking to get right. Background blur? After Effects wins hard. Camera layers, real depth of field, endless options. Shoost only has Gaussian and lens blur. Fine for simple stuff, but if you want that cinematic bokeh, After Effects is the clear winner. Animation is the big one, and honestly, this could be a deal breaker for a lot of you. After Effects has keyframes, full animation capabilities. You can animate anything. Shoost has no keyframes, so for the most part, Shoost is purely for compositing only. And this is why I still keep After Effects installed. For complex motion graphics or client work that requires animated elements, I need it. But for compositing pre-animated footage, Shoost is all I need. As for quality, both can export in 4K, though After Effects can go beyond that. After Effects is sharp and crisp. Shoost has some issues. Color banding and slight fuzzy lines to name a few. You'll want to add a slight film grain to fix the banding. But the trade-off is render speed. Depending on your PC specs, rendering in After Effects can take anywhere from 5 minutes to almost an entire day. In Shoost, seconds. Real-time rendering. And when you're running a studio, that speed saves real money. I'm not exaggerating when I say this has improved my workflow more than any plugin ever did. Finally, the price. Adobe is expensive, subscription-based, and has predatory cancellation fees. Not to mention the expensive plugins you have to buy to achieve effects that are already native to Shoost. Shoost is $5 a month on Patreon. Cancel anytime and you keep the version you downloaded. And it's made by one indie developer who actually listens to the community. At the end of the day, the software doesn't make the artist. The output does. If you need complex motion graphics, 3D tracking, or animated particles, use After Effects. It's the industry standard. I still use it for specific client work. But for me, As a VTuber, animator, and studio director, for 90% of my compositing, the stuff I'm actually proudest of, I use Shoost. For a $5 app made by one person, it's fast, stable, and doesn't hold my wallet hostage. To me, that matters more than a million features. So yeah, that's my secret. I'm Gwendy, creative director of NS2D Studios, and I am a proud user of Shoost. Do you want to see me make tutorials on how to use Shoost for your animation production? Let me know in the comments below and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye for now!